Can Disney Art Academy really teach you how to draw? Let's find out. Okay, it's loading. It sounds fun. So I'm just gonna do the lesson. I might as well go basic, you know. Let's go with our homeboy MC Mouse. Okay, basically I'm gonna draw Mickey. I'm not even gonna listen to this dude. What? Who colors like that? Bruh. That's not how you should start a Mickey. Okay, here's the brush. Oh my goodness. The calibration on this is wild, bro. So look how this guy draws, man. What are you doing next? Okay, you're filling it in. Oh my gosh. You don't need to show how to do that. Mickey! Tell your friend Steve to chill out. No, Steve! Why are you showing people how to draw Mickey wrong? Fine, I'm gonna draw him wrong too. There we go. I'm gonna make him look, you know, upset Mickey. That's what you're gonna accept, Steve.
3 hours later.
Mickey! This dude's like, good work on drawing the character. Whatever, Steve. Oh!
Everybody's so creative.
Steve, you're a terrible teacher, bro. Look at him. Well done. Get out of here. Y'all lying.